guys, we're on our way to Gridlife Midwest. I decided last second to make a trip out here, and I'm doing it in the S2000. So we're street driving all the way to South Haven, which from my house is 3 hours normally if you take the highway. We're not doing any highway driving just because the car has a decent amount of shake in the front end because I never got the front wheels balanced. So I'm just taking the slow roll 60 mile per hour cruise the whole way there. Adds like an extra half hour to 45 minutes, and shouldn't be too bad. Just taking our time and make sure we can find E85 along the way because there's not a shit ton of E85 gas stations the further you get out towards the West Coast. So I'll probably have some clips in here filming, but we're gonna go hang out with Forrest from Link. He's in town from Memphis, and some of our other friends that are from out of town, some friends from Canada and a bunch of other people. So I'll let you know when we get there, guys. See you there. We just stopped and got gas. Luckily found a E85 station in some little city called Charlotte. The car's actually not using nearly as much E85 as I thought it would. I probably drove almost 100 miles, I'd say, and it was only a couple gallons. So that was surprising. Usually I only get like 180 miles to the tank, but I am usually beating on it too. So yeah, we just got about an hour and a half left. Pretty much this is the view. It's just country roads with like farms and not much going on, but it's a nice just top down cruise. Got the pillows over here, got the radio bumping, and we're just cruising out. What's going on, guys? We just made it here to Gridlife. Easy drive, found E85, everything was cool. Nice long cruise for a few hours. We're gonna go out and watch some drifting. The first session of drifting just started. Pretty busy here for Friday. First time I've ever been at Girdlife, so it's pretty sweet. There's a lot of cars here and a lot of people, a lot of famous influencers, and a lot of good stuff. A lot of cool people. So let's go check out some drifting. Fucking Team Horny rolling in on the fucking ultra cooler. To go for a ride along with my friend Drew here. Just smiling, he's so happy.
Oh yeah.
So happy. It's really nice outside. This helmet's like 2 sizes too small, but mine's too big. Yeah. Rally sport expert.
Fuck yeah, you wanna go off course? Look at everybody comes in to look for to watch these jump.
Custom.
Man, I'm going in. It blew my tire.
Little weld failure. Ended up in a little wheel breakage. What do you think of that, dude?
I mean, that's probably my only failure ever.
That's pretty good, honestly.
5 years? Oh, wow. Good things in here, too. I gotta get Will. That's all good. Will. Hello. Ooh. She went by.
See ya.
Oh my god.
Oh, bent the. Oh, fucked up all that.
Oh no.
That's no good. That's no fucking good.
We pulled everything. That's okay though.
Bracket's fucked.
Oh no.
Bracket's fucked.
Yeah, should have busted the TIG out instead of the Caterpillar.
The TIG out instead of the Caterpillar, huh?
The TIG instead of the hot metal glue gun.
What are we doing right now?
Fuck.
Fine.
What is it?
What
you got in here?
We're just trying to fuck with the cock we got.
Yeah, really. Oh.
There's no smaller vice grips.
No.
Come on. These things
Where are
are
the
huge.
zip ties and the vice grips? Come on. Unbelievable, dude. I don't know what he's so scared of. This is FD legal right here. Text by it. Fucking get the bread!
Oh no. Oh no.
Built in. BMW.
Oh my God.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh no.
You're on the left. There you go.
There we go.
Look at that.
Oh.
Oh, that one's
Okay.
yours. That one's yours.
Want me to do another?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fucking wrecked it.
That's how it's supposed to be
There we
done.
go.
Checking out the car show, we got this bad motherfucker. Look at that fucking thing. That thing's tooted up. What do you have to say about that thing? You're fucking mind blowing right now. Yee yee.
Fucking dopey.
The what?
That's a Mercedes Benz.
Oh, LXCs? Are they not actually LXCs? That's one of the most hit up rotaries I've seen in a minute. This thing's pretty sick. Super B.
This thing's for sale.
Is it? Look at this Viper 350Z.
Big car show guy.
I look like I'm a big car show guy. Look at this piece of shit S2000, dude. We out here flexing. This is the winner of the car show for me, guys. What'd you think, Mitch? Bloody good, eh?
Fuck yeah. I want to smoke some jumps.
What is this?
What happened?
Is this TO takeovers?
I was doing a bunch of insane drifting.
No. I think this is TO
And I
takeovers.
had-
Oh, you were doing donuts in an intersection.
I was actually drifting
Donuts in an
insane
intersection.
drifting, and I did not use any e-brake. And
That's because there weren't any corners.
It was fucking. It was a
There weren't any corners.
The fuck is
Where's the
I
road
made
cars?
corners.
Oh,
It's just
we
so
didn't.
powerful. I couldn't even make the corners. I had to make my own.
takeover.
Show us your
Yeah.
grip.
100%. Pedos and fucking personality.
Personalities, baby.
Day 2. I haven't videoed shit. We got the Ultra selfie cam over there. Yeah, we're fucking surviving. You got?
Socket slinger. You ever use those?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
When you get it on, it slips off the bolt, and it slings the socket halfway across the room.
What'd you do now?
A broken axle.
Why are you always breaking stuff? It's a lot cooler when you don't break things. You know that, right? It's funner to be on track than working on the car.
Oh, don't even start. I am so tired. 5 years, no brakes at all. Yeah, we'll break it here.
Another casualty from Chuck. Put the old wheel in the splitter. Alex did not like that last night.
Oh,
I'm gonna come.
Alex with a Y. Oh, fuck, baby, that's a Mazda.
4 deep.
What's going on?
Getting ready to do the grip drift session here in Jersey 46. Close her out, bud. Close her out.
Honey, we got a miss and follow out there.
Close her
I
out.
don't know where the guy is. Crew's on course. Probably trying to cook hot dogs. It's not good, brother. It's been a big weekend of hot dogs, tequila, I tell you.
All right, we'll catch you again next time. Fuck.
Fuck, dude.